I'm going to replace left front lower control arm for 2010 Mercedes-Benz GLK350 4MATIC. First, want to loose the wheel nut, but don't want to take them all, just lose them. Then, won't lift it up your car. At this point, you want to take all wheel nuts off. Once you take the rim off, make sure putting it underneath of the car so you won't gonna smash your feet or legs. I'm going to replace the splash guard using with the Torx E12 and lubricate all bolts and nuts and wait about 10 minutes. Losing a bolt on the subframe side using a Torx E40 and 21mm wrench, and the knuckle side using 21mm socket. Once bolts are loose enough, you can now insert ball joint separator now easy to remove control arm from the knuckle side. Here's a new one. Once you take all parts out, it's a good time to clean them up before you put them back on. Now I'm going to put on new parts, but in a reverse order. After everything tight, make sure using a torque wrench, subframe side 60 foot-pound. After torque it 120 degrees clockwise, and the knuckle side 37 foot-pound. After torque it 60 degrees clockwise.